Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to backup your WhatsApp chats and how to restore them easily. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and then make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date. Because if you don't update it, that time maybe some function will be different. So just make sure your WhatsApp application already up to date. So after updating it, just click here open option, and then you need to click here three dot line, then need to click here settings, then scroll down, then click here chats, and after that click here chat backup. Then you need to do something in here. So first of all, you will need to choose your one of the Google accounts. So for choosing it, you can see in here Google account. So you will need to add some available Google account from here, but if you don't have, that time you can click here add account and then choose your Gmail account. Okay, so let me choose mine, and after that just click here frequency, daily. After that include videos. I mean, if you want to backup your videos, that time just select it. Then choose the third one, which is backup using cellular. Just turn it on, and after doing all these things, just click here backup option and your chats will be backup. Okay, so wait for a few seconds. So you can see it's already backupped. Okay, so let me get back from here. And one more thing, remember this same Gmail account. Okay, so just get back from here and let me go to again there and go to settings, and let me show you. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I want to put that WhatsApp number again for restoring. Okay, so now let me uninstall this WhatsApp application, and after that install it again. So after installing it, just click here open option and click here next option, then agree and continue, allow, and then let me put my that WhatsApp number. So after giving that, just click here next option, then click continue, then continue, then allow, again allow, and you can see I have got that same Gmail account backup in here. Okay, so let me click here restore, and 2012 messages are restored. Okay, so let me click here next option, then again next, then you can click here skip, again skip, and you can see my all WhatsApp messages already restored and something are on the way. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can backup your WhatsApp chats and you can restore them later. So thank you so much for watching this video.